All right. So if you're doing both resource hauling and, well, typically you'll haul resources and then you'll use a hauler to move the made materials to a local factory and make stuff, and sometimes switch between making new basic materials by collecting resources with this and then going between that and a hauler. Sometimes I park one somewhere and then I grab the other, I lock them both, and then you go and move the other to, put in your orders and stuff at the factory. But I'm going to show you just how to return everything and then grab the other item. I think you may have seen this before, but it's basically going here. And then I'm going to grab this. And just so you know, that thing you see there is sort of like a mini boat that can haul a hauler or something else by water. That is not a big freighter, that's one of the smaller ones. And so here we go. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to find the 420 ST stockpile and put everything in there, put this raw resource container in there. So I go to 420 term, and then I put submit loading area equipment. And so that popped it in there. So it's part of our thing. And then I get in here and I go up and EDU Seaport. Again, I'm in 420, submit vehicle. Now our vehicle is in there for the next person to use. I am now going to grab a hauler by going in here. And then I'll wait for that guy to leave and just assembled the hauler. Again, take it out, bringing it close to this diesel fuel cans. Press E, fuel it up, and you'll see this go up. And here we go. I'm going to go grab the refined bee mats that I made and turn it into stuff. So with haulers, you kind of just stick your nose in stuff, and then you just close enough to press E to use refinery. You'll see that I have this many bee mats that are made. So if I want them, I could receive them. If I want to put them just as they are in our seaport or any storage depot, I'll retrieve all as crates and then go pop them in there, because storage depots and seaports hold only crates. But if I want to make stuff with it presently, I will just retrieve all, and that gives me some bee mats. And so I go to, there's two factories right neck and neck here. That'll be the case in a lot of backline areas. And so I'm going to make some things. Some common things are shirts. This allows people to spawn in forward bases, and maybe some bandages and a first aid kit. Okay, and then I click, and in 2 minutes and 29 seconds, that'll be there for me to retrieve. And then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to add a queue for the basic ammo, which is this, and some Argenti rifles, or one of them. I don't have enough BMATs for that. And then that'll be ready in minute 48. And then let me see, I think I have some made materials over here. Nope. Let me check. The mass production facility is a little different. The mass production facility, I have some stuff made, so 120 millimeters. You usually use this for certain expensive ammos or things that require refined materials. You see I clicked that and I put everything in my hauler, and now I could just go take it. Also, if you're in a squad, one of the best things with the mass production facilities is that if you're in the squad 420 Street, you can see other people's in our squads and pull their finished product out. And that's a good way to just throw it in there, and then I can't pull that because it requires a different hauler, and then deposit it in the seaport for them. All right, so now I am going to go pick up some of my stuff that I made, and show you how to do that. Again, you'd use a hauler because they can interact with anything pretty easily, even if they're limited. And I grab these items, and I'm going to grab these things. And you can see they popped up as crates there of materials, or certain supplies, I mean. And then I'm going to take it to this to our regiment's supply depot or seaport. So I go into the seaport over here. And you'll see all these people are fighting for space. All you need to do is have enough space to stick your nose in. And so press E. And then I made sure that I'm at 420 Street Terminus. And then I'm going to right click, submit all the stockpile, and you'll see it added a few things in here. And these are all the crates of some of our basic equipment that are in there. And then if I want to pop in the vehicle, I click this, although it has stuff in it. And transfer stack. You need to empty it out. And it's under 420 Street. And ta-da!